Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how Microsoft Excel works. We'll cover the fundamental concepts that make Excel a powerful tool for data management and analysis. Think of Excel as a digital ledger, where you can store, organize, and manipulate vast amounts of information. It's incredibly versatile, used by millions for everything from simple lists to complex financial models. Let's dive in and make Excel easy for you. At the heart of Excel are cells, the individual boxes where you input your data. Each cell has a unique address like A1 or B5, making it easy to reference. These cells are arranged in rows, numbered 1 through 1,048,576, and columns, lettered A through XFD. A single worksheet can hold an immense amount of data, providing ample space for your projects. Excel's true power lies in its ability to perform calculations using formulas and functions. A formula always begins with an equal sign, telling Excel to calculate. Functions are like shortcuts, pre-built formulas for tasks such as adding numbers with sum or finding averages with average. You can easily reference cells, allowing for dynamic calculations that update automatically when data changes. This saves immense time and reduces errors. Beyond calculations, Excel helps you organize and analyze your data effectively. You can sort your data to arrange it in ascending or descending order, making patterns easier to spot. Filtering allows you to view only the information relevant to your current task, hiding the rest. Furthermore, Excel offers powerful tools to create charts and graphs, transforming raw numbers into clear, visual insights. This makes complex data much more digestible.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.